Well, what we all pretty much knew, Chase Sexton made official today, posting on his Instagram saying, quote, "Man, it's been one heck of a ride with the Honda family. Lots of ups and downs, two 250 SX titles, one 450 SX title, and tons of memories that will last a lifetime. Riding for Honda HRC was always a dream for me, and to make it a reality is something special, really something special. Thank you to each and every one of those team members that made my 4-year run there so special." So obviously, he's out. The Lawrence brothers are coming up, and he either got pushed out or just realized he didn't want to be, the second rider on that team after Jet. And well, with the supposed KTM seat open for him, it's probably not a bad idea. Cooper's out of there. You got Plessinger, who's going to be a second seat guy or second rider, whatever you want to call it. And with Sexton coming off his SX title and moving on to a new team, who knows? In the comments below, you tell me, how well do you think he's actually going to do? Because is he going to, meld with the KTM better than the Honda? Is something going to feel better? Is he going to stop washing the front out every single chance he gets? Who knows? I think he's still going to be fast no matter where he goes. It's just going to be I don't know if he can actually continue it or keep a constant, problemless streak. If he can fix all the washouts and dumps and stupid crashes he gets himself into, because eventually he's not going to just pop up for them. But comments below, are you happy with this? Are you a Chase Sexton fan? Are you a KTM fan? You're excited to see him probably, or whatever it is. Comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.